The same way you have video faders for every video clip, you also have audio faders for the audio clips. Let's go to the beginning here, and I will scroll to zoom in with the Alt key or Option key on the Mac. We had put here a transition. Let's select the transition, just press backspace to delete only the transition. Now, if you hover, you will notice you have the fader handle at the beginning of the clip. You can click on it and drag it to the right, okay? And you notice you have the number of frames here. For example, this is 1 second now. Let's put it over here. Now, the fader operates on the volume. It will take the volume from 0 to 100% according to your volume that you have set in the clip volume over here. Of course, is the same as the bar. So now if you listen to it, we play it, it is a linear increase of the volume. Okay, pretty cool. But now it has another twist here for the volume. You have the small dot here. If you like, it's a keyframe, but actually is the one that will set a curve for the increase in volume. If you click on it, you can take it left and right, up and down, and actually create a certain curve. Or if you want to, it's an ease for the volume. So in this case, it's gonna easily increase the volume. So it's no more linear, it's just a curve. Now, if you play it, there's quite some difference, and this is pretty interesting. Notice, guys. Here you are. So you can adjust this curve the way you would like. You can take it the other way. So now you have almost an abrupt, and then it settles at 100% on the handle. I will undo this one. Now this is at the beginning of the clip. You can press end to go to the end. And let's also remove the transition from here. I hit backspace. Let's click on it and drag it to 1 second. For example, just over here. It's easy also to get to 1 second. I'm gonna click on the keyframe and just, drag it to create a very nice curve. For example, something like this, the way you would like. If you play it, let's play it from here. Not bad at all, guys, right? Now, I suggest that you always use the faders and not the transition to ease in or ease out an audio clip. It's much nicer, by the way. Thank you. I will see you in the next lecture.